In India, one sneeze could ruin your entire day. One sneeze before leaving can mean disaster. There's a deep-rooted superstition. If you sneeze right before leaving the house, it's a bad omen. Some believe it brings failure, delay, or even accidents. To reverse the curse, people might pause for a minute, drink water, or wait for someone else to sneeze, just to reset the luck. Yes, trips, meetings, even weddings get delayed over a sneeze. Would you ever cancel your day because of a sneeze? Tell us in the comments and follow for more strange beliefs around the world.